Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
The disinfectant which works in plasma membrane damage is whenever there is plasma membrane damage, phenol will works by disinfectant which works by plasma membrane damage. Phenol will work by plasma membrane damage. Alcohol will cause coagulation of the proteins, whereas metallic salts will also cause coagulation of proteins. Halogen compounds will cause oxidation of the proteins and thus causes disinfecting action. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.